So it's day 2 this morning at Fieldays, and yesterday was pouring with rain and had thunderstorms, yet we had heaps of people at our stand. Today, blue skies, beautiful blue skies, and I thought before everyone starts piling in and we get too busy, I might give you a tour of our site with Billy. You know Billy, Billy's from our YouTube channel, Billy's Workshop.
Hey guys, we're going to have a little tour today, but if you come over here is probably the main point of our site, the solar panels. So these are actually running 2 systems at the moment. So this is our standard demo system for today.
Pretend I'm a customer, Billy. Explain it to me.
Alright, so we have 2 panels over there. They come and run into here. These go up through a breaker into the charge controller. This is going to convert your PV voltage into a voltage that can charge your batteries. Today we have 2, it's just a 24 volt system. We didn't feel like carrying 2 more. So once it goes through the batteries, it's going to come back up into here. This is where you're going to get your power from, your inverter. We've got a plug here running up to a little light, and Craig, if you could push the button, it should turn on.
This puppy over here. Hey! And it works. What do we got on this side, Billy? This one looks different.
So this is our hybrid system. In principle, everything's the same. We have the 2 panels running into this inverter here. However, the inverter and the charge controller are combined into one unit, our hybrid unit. Today, this is running on a lithium battery instead of the gel, just to show that one off.
And why would you choose this hybrid system over the other system, Billy?
So the hybrid system is pretty much a 3-in-1. So we've already explained it's got a charge controller and inverter functionality, but it also has a battery charger. What you'd use that for is running a generator on days where it's, not so good weather, and you want to have a backup. Another reason to go with this is these are much larger inverter units. So this is a 5 kilowatt. The one on the other side is only 2 kilowatt.
I also noticed this doesn't have a 3-pin plug coming out of it, so I guess it's not DIY either, eh?
No, so with this one, you need to get it wired by an electrician into a switchboard.
Okay, cool. And this here, I think a lot of people know what this is. This is instant hot water. A lot of people ask about this and we haven't really stocked it before. Now we're bringing in this great range from Australia. The good thing about this is it's ready to go, it's portable, you can just set it up, comes with a 12 volt pump, you put an LPG bottle on it, and you're ready to go. You have instant hot water, has the whole shower head, the whole lot. Great, great solution if you need a shower when you're off grid. And over here, this is a project that Billy and I are working on, eh, Billy? Tell us about this.
Yep, so up at Craig's farm, there's a bit of a water problem we need to solve, and we thought we'd do it with solar. So we're doing a bit of R&D at the moment, figuring out how it all works and what's best. Setting up a little solar pumping solution here with a Davies pump and a Growatt pump inverter. So this inverter does a 3-phase pump. 3-phase pumps are the ways to go if you don't know already. But yeah, still a work in progress. And yeah, we'll get back to you guys when we've got something.
Yeah, I think we've got some panels up.
We've got some panels up, we've got a shed up, but yeah.
We're going to do some piping, and once we're finished, it's a product that you'll be able to buy off us from GridFree.